I just make a song about how I lost my friend's cat, but so far it kinda sucks, so hold up. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, anyway, the other day, I lost my friend's cat. I'm about to go out for a hard day of skating. Talking to my friend, got my mom and call waiting. Got to his house, heading upstream. Probably gonna try to take some ice cream. So I go upstairs, almost fell on my bum. Then I hear a voice, Javin, yo dumb. I head downstairs, I'm just about to shout. All because I let the cat out. My name's Javin Laddish, I'm losing kitties. The cat probably made it to New York City. The cat's on my...
What? I don't get it. I don't care. This one was for ercaderk and that one lady. Kinda crazy.
Close that door, or kitties is what we be looking for. If you ever lose your cat in a situation like this, I say good luck, cause I know I reminisce of that sad day. I lost my friend's cat, cause I really know that I hate that.
Alright. Yeah,